As a key part of the Total Events program, webinars are meant to create rich and engaging experiences for your attendees without creating an overwhelming workload for your internal teams. Hi, my name is Morgan, and today we are going to take a look at Webinar Premium, a streamlined solution to support and grow your webinar program with a system that is easy to use, scalable, includes built-in production tools and engagement features, and offers integrations and analytics. Let's jump in. Start promoting your webinar by sending out customizable invitation emails to a list of your targeted invitees. This will direct them to a dedicated landing page that can be branded to match your organization. With support of UTM parameters, custom URLs, and code snippets, you can better understand marketing campaign success and capture web analytics. Here, you can showcase webinar details such as speaker information, the webinar agenda, and clear calls to action to register. The webinar registration form can even embed on third-party pages so your audience can remain on your existing website. Once your audience registers for the webinar by entering in their contact information and answering registration questions, they'll then begin receiving automated emails, such as their confirmation email and a reminder email, which can include things like an automatic calendar hold and a convenient magic link to log directly into the webinar, ensuring your participants have easy access to content. Your audience will join an immersive webinar experience where they can watch your content, collaborate with others, leverage engagement features, and provide feedback to capture real-time insights. Even allow your target audience to come back and watch the recording to encourage participation, even if they couldn't make it live. Now let's see what this looks like from the admin perspective. You can build your entire webinar in a matter of minutes from start to finish by leveraging your own branded templates to easily set up your webinars at scale. Track your webinar progress through our dynamic overview page, as well as the ability to preview your webinar as you build things out. You can configure your webinar by moving down the left navigation. Brand your webinar experience through colors, fonts, and images. Decide your webinar capacity and what fields you want to collect in registration, as well as picking from our registration security preferences. Select from one of our built-in presentation options to run your webinar. Webinar organizers can decide if they want to use our studio broadcast for live one-way broadcasts with up-leveled production and branding elements, collaborative style for live two-way presentations that give attendees the ability to raise their hand and join the presenters on stage. SimuLive allows organizers to upload a pre-recorded video and automate the playback to simulate a live presentation. And finally, webinar organizers can also use their own production tools to stream live content directly into the Cvent video player using our external stream presentation option. This provides greater flexibility in how you may want to capture and deliver your content. You can jump into a test presentation to get hosts and speakers comfortable before the webinar. Add team members as hosts, speakers, and moderators to give them the appropriate permissions to help manage and participate in the webinar. Speakers can join the webinar with no downloads or technical experience required. They can easily access engagement features, advance through presentation slides that have been uploaded into the tool, or share their screen with our embedded presenter view. Webinar organizers can enable and manage engagement features like chat, Q&A, polls, and reactions. Create a feedback survey to garner insights directly, or even develop a call to action that lets attendees click on a prompt you display during the presentation. Customize, preview, and send out automated webinar email communications that match your tone and branding, along with other marketing features to promote and track analytics. Stay on top of your invitee list and webinar registrants, and view more information about each person. Take advantage of our out-of-the-box integrations or our open API to sync this powerful webinar data back into your tech stack. Now that the webinar is complete, analyze your webinar effectiveness through pre-built webinar reporting or our cross-event reporting to see the overall impact of your webinars in your total event program. If there are additional questions or you'd like to see a demonstration, please reach out to your sales representative. Thank you.